How's it going, everyone? My name is Phil. Welcome to Furious Technology, and today we are unboxing the iPhone 11. This is the white variation of the iPhone 11. It is also available in black, green, yellow, purple, or product red. And this variation is the 128 gigabyte variation, but they're all exactly the same. So let's go ahead and unbox it. And let's go right to this little tab right here at the bottom. And this will just peel off. A little bit different from a lot of the previous original type of iPhones that had where you had to cut around the plastic. Now this one you just pull the tab. So it actually is quite a bit easier. And then they do their special presentation where they kind of have a little wow factor when you pull this off right there. And there is the phone just sitting in just like that. And it does have this little tab right here where we can pull that little tab up and then we can put the phone aside. We'll put it aside just for a second and we'll have a look at what's inside. Obviously, we do have the Designed by Apple in California with your instructions and of course the trademark Apple stickers. So you can use those and stick them wherever you want. We'll put that aside. Let's go have a look at the block first. And the block is the 5-watt power adapter. So it's not the quick charging one, it's just the standard 5-watt one, nothing special. And then you do get the earpods, not AirPods, earpods. So these ones are the wired ones, and these ones will be the ones with the lightning adapter. So we'll open it up just like that, and you can see it plugs into your lightning adapter. Obviously no headphone jack for the past few years of iPhones. And then we do also have the lightning cable right there. Your standard 3-foot, 1-meter lightning cable. If you don't have any of these lying around and you've had Apple products before, I'd be quite surprised because I've got a ton of those ones lying around my house. But that's gonna be it for the inside contents, but let's go ahead and have a look at the phone itself. We'll put this stuff aside right here. And let's go ahead and peel off. I love doing this. This is just so pleasing to peel off these stickers of an iPhone. There we go. We'll peel that piece off right there. And nothing on the bottom, actually, quite surprising. Usually they have like some sort of sticker or something like that on the actual back of it. So nothing on the back of it. It's just that glass back for your wireless charging. But let's go ahead and have a closer look. We've got the 2 cameras on the iPhone 11, the iPhone 11 Pro, and the bigger one also has the 3rd camera on there, but this one does have the 2 cameras on there. Your standard power button on the side, and then on this side of it you've got your volume up and down, and then your mute switch right there, and those are your antenna bands just right there. But very, very classy, nice looking phone. The nice thing about the iPhone 11, it is aluminum body, so it does feel a little bit lighter than the iPhone 11 Pros. So very, very nice little phone. We're gonna go ahead and turn it on for the first time as well. Let's go ahead and hit that power button right there. You'll get your Apple logo, and then it's going to go through where you have to set up your phone and do all of that stuff. But we're not going to do that on this video, as this is just an unboxing of the iPhone 11 128 gigabyte in white. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this phone. And are you going to be going with the iPhone 11, or are you going to go with the Pro or the bigger one as well? Let me know in the comments down below. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.